In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add notes to PayPal payments. If you want to include a short message with a payment, PayPal makes it very simple. Adding a note can be helpful when you want to explain what the payment is for, such as a purchase, a reimbursement, or any other personal reason. It also helps the recipient understand the purpose of the transaction at a glance. To get started, sign into your PayPal account and go to your main account page. At the top of the screen, click on Send and Request. This is the section where you can begin creating a new payment. If you do not see it right away, just look along the top navigation bar until you find it. Once you're in the Send Money area, type the username of the person you want to send money to. Make sure you enter the correct recipient so the payment goes to the right account. If PayPal shows matching results, select the correct one before moving on. It's always a good idea to double check this step, especially if you send money often. After choosing the recipient, enter the amount you want to send. Take a moment here to confirm the amount is correct before continuing. This is important because the payment details will be included in the next screen along with the note you want to add. On the payment preview screen, look for the option that says Add Note. Click on it and then start typing your note. Keep your message short and clear so it's easy for the recipient to understand. For example, you might use the note to describe the reason for the payment or to add a quick reference for your own records. This note can be especially useful if you're sending multiple payments and want to stay organized. Once your note is added, review everything on the screen one more time. Check the recipient, the amount, and the note to make sure all the details are accurate. When everything looks good, click on Send to complete the payment. And that's it. You've successfully added a note to a PayPal payment. As a final tip, always keep your notes professional and relevant, since they become part of the payment details. If you found this helpful, you can use the same process anytime you want to give more context to a payment you're sending through PayPal.